Just something horrible happened. It's right in front of my face. This. You okay, little guy? Hi. Oh no. God. You okay? Oh God. He's in the bathroom. God, he's bleeding. He's gonna bleed to death. Are you okay? Guys, look. There's blood everywhere. Look. Look. I can't see carefully. There's blood everywhere. Something's been attacking our chickens. I think so. Ah, God, that's. Oh God. Oh God. God. You. That black spot is black. Oh God. Scared me. Going like, ah! Man, it's bleeding, man. She's gonna die right now. It's the last memory. No! Not a good time with you. You think this is a good... Hold on. Murders versus chicken. That thing's gonna... See? That guy's annoying. It's annoying but sad. We only got like... I think we're only gonna have like one left. I'm not gonna be really happy when we go to the zoo. They're just gonna be in the crowds with me. I'll be giving them all night. I'm really... God. It's kind of dark. God can give me a clue. Happened. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. But the chickens, I don't think we're safe.
Oh, yeah,
they've been dying.
They're not dying. There's something's killing them.
No, they're dying. It's dying.
It's not dying. Something's killing them.
It's dying. The one that we have. It's dying. It's just like bleeding to death.
Yeah.
Because I see blood everywhere, like flowing slowly.
I think tomorrow's gonna be dead.
No, I think it's gonna be dead by the second that everybody goes to bed.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be dead by like 11 or 12 o'clock. It's gonna be dead by then.
Yeah.
These chickens are like a family to us.
Not family because we were gonna eat those.
But still, they are family for us.
Yeah.
But
the family dinner.
Those pets are important. They're the most pets I actually really like. Something's killing them. Mountain lion? Mountain lion?
No, mountain lion.
Raccoon?
There's gotta be a raccoon because a mountain lion would have taken them. Just kill him.
Might have squawked too loud. Dad, I think might have squawked too loud. So that the neighbors could hear. Something's killing them.
It's a roll of the dice.
It's a raccoon or something.
Pills, and you face up to 20 years in jail.
Wait, if it's a okay, I'm gonna look up something that is killing them. Okay. Oh, might talk about this later. Okay, bye guys. This is only part 1. Sorry. This is gonna be bad. I'll make it part 3 will be in the morning.
He can double his money for some of the pills he sells in the U.S.
So I'm gonna wake up.
I just walk to the border and that's it.
And you guys in the morning.
You need to take precautions, but
bye.
not that precautions. No.
He has a basic smuggling technique.